Hey everybody, it's Nick Griffith and I'm doing a drink review. I'm doing a Parrot Coconut Water. It says it is non-GMO. I don't know. I like the can. It looks fun. Let's see. 210 calories. Oh god. So, it's a pint. This is a Ralph's purchase. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Oh, it's fucking delicious. This one's with pulp. Oh, hell yeah, I love it. A little bit of pulp. I like that. Some people do not. Um, yeah, that's a good Ralph spot. Parrot coconut water. Uh, Tastes delicious. It's refreshing. If you like a little pulp, I mean, it's just overall a good drink experience. Thanks, Parrot. Woo!